Julia Barreto para sa pelikulang Unhappy for You. Pero paano nga ba nila nalampasan ang ilangan? Nasa frontline ng balitang yan, si MJ Marfori.
Titigan pa lang, the chemistry is still giving the second time around. At kahit nga mag-mall show sila o one-on-one chikahan with yours truly, talaga naman, undeniable pa rin ang kilig vibes ng former Flames at now professional co-actors na sina Joshua Garcia at Julia Barreto.
That's something na you can't force.
Yeah, something you can't explain to.
And something you can't explain
Yeah,
din.
it's hard.
And hindi rin namin ino-overthink yung ganun. We just,
That's true.
ginagawa lang namin yung work namin. Tapos parang kusa na siya lumalabas.
Ang Unhappy for You ang reunion project ng Josh Leah after 4 years. Nagkaroon na rin ng sariling mga private relationships sina Joshua at Julia. At ngayong magkasama muli sila, ang napansin nila sa isa't isa.
Sobrang hands-on niya sa script, and then isa pa na-appreciate ko is yung ang linaw na ng mga beats namin.
No, Josh has always been like just one of the best that we have today. So, you know, working with him again, it's
Big words.
But I mean it. I mean,
you.
it's not like I'm shocked with what I saw, but I mean, he really still remains to be one of the best that we have today.
Yes, agad! At hindi raw nag-atubili sina Julia at Joshua na gawin ang proyekto. Importante raw kasi ito sa growth nila as actors.
I'm pretty sure they're proud sa atin dalawa. Oo, na natapos natin yung pelikula ng matiwasay, di ba?
Pero paano nga ba nila tinanggal ang ilangan sa isa't isa? Ang chika ng Josh Leah,
Mga baliw lang talaga.
Yeah, baliw lang kami kaya medyo parang but you know what? It's been so much fun. Like
Totoo.
this is so like it was quite the experience, and I'm just so proud na nagawa pa namin to ng magkasama.
eto bilang pruweba yan. Punong-puno ng feels ang kanilang official pasilip sa pelikula. Grabe kong humugot!
Masarap yan. Pero hindi mo namamalayan, tatamaan ka na dyan. Traidor yan eh. Sa'yo no comment? Tama na. Aalis ka na naman.
Juancho, tama na, please.
Tama na.
I never cheated on you.
Showing na ang Unhappy for You sa August 14 in cinemas nationwide. Nagbabalita mula sa Frontline, MJ Marfori, News 5.